In this short tutorial, I will show you how to open links in the Facebook app instead of the browser on your iPhone. Many times, when you tap on a link on Facebook, it will open in the default web browser on your phone. But if you prefer to view the content within the Facebook app itself, there is a simple trick to make that happen. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. After that, scroll down until you see an option called Media. Tap on it. And then scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see a section called Links, and in that section you'll see an option called Open an external browser, which is turned on. To open links in the Facebook app instead of the browser on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.